How to invest in Fidelity ETFs is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. First, it is essential to understand what an ETF is, which stands for Exchange Traded Fund, a type of investment fund that is traded on a stock exchange like individual stocks. Fidelity ETFs are offered by Fidelity Investments, a well-established financial services company. To get started, you need to open a brokerage account with Fidelity, which can be done online or by visiting a local Fidelity office. Once your account is set up and funded, you can begin exploring the various Fidelity ETFs available. Fidelity offers a range of ETFs that track different indexes, sectors, and asset classes, providing investors with diverse investment options. When selecting a Fidelity ETF, consider your investment goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Look for ETFs with low fees, as they can help you save money over the long term. It is also crucial to evaluate the ETF's performance history. Although past performance is not a guarantee of future results. To place a trade, log into your Fidelity account and navigate to the trading platform. Enter the ticker symbol of the ETF you wish to buy or sell, and specify the number of shares you want to trade. You can choose from various order types, such as market orders or limit orders, depending on your investment strategy. It is essential to monitor your ETF investments regularly and rebalance your portfolio as needed to ensure it remains aligned with your investment objectives. Fidelity provides online tools and resources to help you track your investments and make informed decisions. In conclusion, investing in Fidelity ETFs can be a convenient and cost-effective way to diversify your portfolio and achieve your long-term investment goals. By following these steps and doing your research, you can make informed investment decisions and take control of your financial future.